Now we're gonna stitch the arm section. You can fold the fabric directly like the one in the video, but you won't get the best result. It's better to stitch it this way and then reverse it later. Here the right side is meeting the right side and then stitch it. After we stitch that, we are going to reverse the fabric. If you have reversed the fabric, then it will look like that. Here we are stacking that two fabrics together and then stitch the arm section 1 to 2 centimeters from the edges. Depends on how much you left the fabric when cutting the pattern. And then trim off the excess fabrics. You're also gonna want to cut it as shown in the video to make it easier when reversing it later. Then reverse the fabric and stitch the sides again. The same thing applies for the other arm section.